Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make your character blink. So first you go on events, when green flag click, drag it up, go on control, forever, motion, go to X0, Y0, go to glide 1 sec to X0, Y0, go to looks, show, put it right above, go to X0, Y0, then go to hide, put it underneath glide, then go to variables, take set my variable to 0, right beneath hide and glide, then change my variable by 1, put it right above hide. Then go inside and then start. Now it's blinking. Bye everyone.